All right, so anyway, my girl's phone, as you can see, she's got this protective thing on it, and it's all broken and cracked. So we're gonna pop it off. It comes right off. Look at that. So this was the one that she had on there, and so now we're gonna replace it. I bought these on Amazon, and so we're gonna go ahead and put a new one in there. As you can see, she drops her phone a lot. So she definitely needs to have some kind of protection. All right, so we'll put that over there. And let's take a look at this. So they have them inside these protective cases or paper. And it kind of slides out here. There she is there. And so this side here, what you do is you pull this off and it becomes sticky. And then you've got to get it right on there and lay it down real quick. Now they give you some directions. It says use a wet wipe to remove any dirt on the screen. Use the dry wipe to ensure all dust and liquid has been removed. Dab the sticker side of the dust absorber to eliminate any amount of debris on the screen. So it comes with a couple different things here. Let's take a look at it. Here is the various, this is the wet wipe here, and that's the dry wipe. So if you remember, we're going to use the wet wipe to remove any dirt on the screen. Okay, so then we're gonna open this one up here, and we gotta pull the wet wipe out of here. If I can get it to open. Okay, almost. Guess this is gonna come in handy here. Again. There we go. All right, so we've got our wet wipe. It's not very wet, but we'll use it. So now we're going to clean our screen with this. So let's open it up. And we're just going to go over it. Get it nice and clean. As you can see, stuff is happening here. All right, so we got that clean. Let's throw that away. Now we need our dry wipe, right? Because the dry wipe is to ensure that all the dust is off. So we're going to get our dry wipe out of here. Open her up. Probably should wash your hands beforehand too. All right, here we go. And then we're just going to go over it nice and easy. Get her all clean. And I think that's going to be good. And then it's they said that there's another aspect to this, but I think we're ready to put this on. We got it nice and dry. So what we have to do is we've got to get it right on there. So I've got to get this positioned perfectly and then just lay it straight down. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold it by the edges like this. So we've got it all clean. Now what we're going to do is we're going to hold it like this. I'm going to pull this off. Once I do, we're going to basically be committed. Okay, so now I've got to get it perfectly aligned there. And there we go. I do believe we may have gotten it on there. That's it. So you're going to need to kind of smooth out all of those little kind of bubble areas with your finger. And you can do it by just compressing it You can use your finger, or you could, use a rag or something. So you want to get all these little pieces out. See that? I'm gonna. All right, I think we're ready. Let's check it out. Oh, I gotta do the thing. All right, it's working. So that's it. Now we replaced our screen. That's how you do it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Let me show you what I bought. This is called the aluminum glass screen protectors. Pretty simple, easy to do, and it looks fantastic now. Her phone looks like it's brand new. All right, like I said, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff on Facebook and iPhones and things of that nature.